Sickening. That's how the Jamaica Manufacturers Association, JMA, has described the current crime situation with runaway murder figures starting the new year. The JMA president insists that it cannot be business as usual this year and has called for a real and urgent solution from all stakeholder groups. TVJ's Herman Green has that report.
9 days into 2018 and already over 40 murders. The situation has pushed President of the Jamaica Manufacturers Association, JMA, Mitri Siaga, to renew the call for decisive action and clear direction from both the government and the opposition.
It cannot be continue to be left as business as usual. It's just not sustainable. We are going to lose all of the gains that we have made over the last 3 or 4 years.
In a press release this afternoon, the JMA stated that the crime situation has left Jamaicans feeling powerless and insecure. And the sad reality of Jamaica today is that lawlessness is undermining our quality of life and vision for the country.
When we look at what happened at the Palisades airport on New Year's Day with this party, people are just disregarding other people's rights. When we see how people drive on the roads, there's no law and order. There's no feeling that you are going to be punished for doing anything that's against the law. People stop wherever they want to stop, load wherever they want to load. You see on social media, people roughing up police.
Mr. Siaga relates that the manufacturing sector and productivity on a whole continues to be impacted negatively as employees are not productive when crime continues to threaten their families, communities, or them themselves through injuries or fear. The JMA says it is therefore calling for the government and opposition to align on an effective crime strategy and clear targets to which public officials can be held accountable. Mr. Siaga is also calling for other entities to get involved, as the JMA has agreed to partner with the private sector organization of Jamaica, the Chamber of Commerce, and the Jamaica Exporters Association to discuss strategies for long-term fixes.
But the time has come for all hands to pull together now, and the government, the opposition, the private sector, the unions, the churches have got to come together and solve this problem. And there can be no more talking about it. We have to find a real sustainable solution.
Herman Green, TVJ News.